Small town chick from the West Side Project. Always been that chick. Small town chick from the West Side Project. Always been this thick. Small town chick from the West Side Project. Coming up in the bricks. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So today is Friday. Y'all already know what's up with me. It is Friday, and y'all already know I'm on my run for the weekend, baby. Y'all ready to have fun this weekend? Tomorrow we're going to a bonfire for my brother-in-law. Yeah, so let's get into this weekend, baby. Okay, all right. So as most of you all know, I am Hazel. Welcome to my channel. Glad to have you here. If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow, comment. Let me know what you want to see, because I'm here for it all, baby. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. So I just went to the hair store and got me some hair, because y'all know it's the weekend. I got to do my hair. Got to get this hair together. I'm about to get this head together. I had some samples at the hair store in the little pack. They got some good stuff in here. I use this too. They got the 3-minute moisture deep conditioner. I use this all the time. It's really, really good. Make your hair really, really soft. They got some good stuff up in here, baby. Look at all the little samples. Got these. They got some shaving cream. They got some more shampoo and conditioner packs. Some curl enhancer for my naturalness, because I need that. Oh, babe, I never no curl. Some nice stuff in these little bags. All right, I can use these. All right, I see y'all here, so thank you. Thank you. We got some more conditioner. I'm going back. I'm going back up there and give me some more bags. I be using this stuff, y'all. Yeah, well, I ain't got the bag. Okay, I like a good bargain. Yes, this stuff good to use. I got me 2 bags full of hair stuff for free. Hair products, conditioner, shampoo, all kind of stuff. Let's get into it. Now let's get into this hair. You already know we got the ball cap. I got this closure. It's a good closure for glue, because I'm gluing my hair in, so it's a good closure for glue. Milk, I actually did a style with this milk body wave hair. I'm gonna post it. I did this style right here in the corner. I did this style. It was really, really cute. I was so cute. So I did that style with the milk. It was the milk closure in the body wave hair. It was in a pack. I don't think it was like 140. So guess what, we finna look good on a budget. Okay, all right, so I got me a closure because I don't like to leave my hair. As you can see, I am natural, so I don't like to leave my hair out, really. Milk closure 10-inch. It was only $20. $20. Y'all can see that. Y'all can see that, but it was $20. All right, and I got some of this model spray here. I've been seeing a lot of people using this hair. It's actually 30 inches. Scrape is not human hair, it's synthetic, but guess what, it's gonna get the job done. It's gonna get what we need to get done. I got 3 packs of this because I want my hair full, and if this ain't enough, I'll go get a 4th pack. It was only $11.99. $11.99, baby. Let's get into this look. So I'm about to go ahead and start braiding my hair down. I gotta put some bleach on the closure, because you can't bleach these closures. So I'm gonna put some bleach on the closure while I'm braiding my hair down and let that down be soaking. Yes, baby, let's get into it, baby. We about to be Kurt for the weekend. I'm doing a middle part. I'm gonna do a middle part. I haven't had a middle part in a long time. Long. So this is what I'm gonna do a middle part. Oh, it's some good hair actually, so this is what we doing. So we about to put the stuff on her. I had some developer at home. I just had to buy the pack. So I'm gonna put the pack in here. I don't need the whole pack probably. Everywhere. shit strong as motherfucker. She got me coffee. Baddie on a budget. So we just gotta put the bleach and the developer in there. We're gonna swish it on up. Whip it, whip it. Oh, I can cook the dough. Whip it, whip it. I'm being very lazy today. I don't feel like standing up, going to the bathroom, doing all this extra shit. I'm tired. Been at work, I'm tired. Really. I'm ready to get cute. So we're gonna put that on there and we're gonna let that sit while I braid my hair down. So I already put my cap on. I just finished braiding it down, sprayed my edges and stuff. Put my cap on. Yes.
Seriously, I'm cute in my room.
Babe, I'm cute without the hair.
Yeah, I can do whatever I want in my own room.
So far, so good. So far, so good.
Now why you got that on your lip?
Your birthday on Sunday, man.
Ooh, breaking all good.
Stop touching on me.
I want to see your face.
Stop. Come on, man. Stop. I just said stop.
I'm sorry. Get out.
Say sorry.
No.
Say sorry.
I'm not sorry.
You not sorry?
You better stop.
You not sorry?
Stop. Why is she trying to spray me?
Okay, get it to me. My edge got.
Get out. Oh my God.
Stop.
Hey.
What toy is it? Huh?
In there.
Two hours later.
Alright, y'all, let's get into this. Okay, let's get into this pastel hair. Yes, I need to put some makeup on there, but I'm cute. I'm about to go get ready to go out with my friend. And I'll be back.
Oh my God. Mom. Oh, Mama, really?
Like, I'm really gonna shoot you.
Oh.
I'm weak.
Hey, honey. Your face is filthy. You look homeless. Stop. I'll give you a phone back. Say hey. Oh, this girl is bad. This girl is bad. Papa. I'ma whoop you. Oh, yeah, you gone crazy now. You gone crazy. You better stop.
What is wrong with you? What's wrong with you, Arnie?
Before you get a whooping, I'ma call your dad and tell him.
What's wrong with you?
This costs more than you, girl.
What's wrong?
Out.
Why
She finna go back over there with Trina.
Come back over here. Come on, let's go in the back. Honest, you can't do that. You gonna knock that TV over now.
She know how to do her passcode.
Come on. Cool. She ain't got no pass.
Is it him?
It's him. Come on in, come on in.
I ain't got eyes no more.
Hi, love.
I'm saying you didn't have to get up. I'm gonna catch you. Doing alright?
I'm doing good.
Man, see y'all, what y'all doing out here this late, man?
We came.
But don't you come?
We already spoke to Daddy.
No business around this way. Y'all gonna be at home watching Will and Fortune.
jambalaya, you know what I'm saying? King jambalaya, you know what's going on.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Stop fucking playing with
You
me.
know this shit ain't easy.
It ain't.
Turn this down a stick.
Oh,
Turn it down.
don't be. What you got now, Ma?
Oh, you know I got that old country gumbo, baby. You see?
It's steamed up. It's steamed up.
You see it? You see it? The man don't even know how to lift it up.
Don't know how to stir the pot.
She asked me to lift it up. She asked me to do one thing. That's what we do. It's all steaming up.
Yeah, steaming up.
Let me know where to stop, man. That's good right there. That's good.
Y'all ain't got no big service food.
That's it. That's it. That's good. Yeah, that's it. You know we good. Yeah, that's it. That's it right there. That's it right there.
Right now.
I had to go away there. You know the mama, let's go. Chill out, Auntie.
What you say now, Mother?
Chill out.
They got to get the fuck from out here.
Period.
Whoever June is, you gotta go.
She blocked what's up, C motherfucking PZ? Alright, yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna mix out that dumb shit.
Oh!
Like it then, you know, sucker.
KC in the mix.
Just a laid back, top down, come through this bitch.
Oh! Don't stop.
What's up, cuz? Camera 8, you know I stay lit. Stop playing on me.
It's a fucking heavy word, hey.
Oh no, this is my auntie right here, y'all. Big Hazel rule, y'all.
Period. Why you hating? Hey, y'all. Y'all like my glasses I just stole?
Them not hers.
It don't matter. They gonna be mine because I just took them from your brother. He don't need them. Cute. I can't wait to take a picture with these. Oh, honey. Honey bunny. Let's get into it.
I'm trying to tell you something.
What's up?
I need my hair braided.
Goodbye. They think because I know how to do her, she supposed to think she supposed to get her hair done every week, but that's a lie. Alright, let's get into this cookie, baby. Come on, Lele.
I'ma show them.
Alright, so we about to cook some steak. Yes, hold on. You see the price? You see the price? You hold on. Bag up a little bit. Hold on. Zoom. Yeah. You see the price. And we got us some T-bone steak, you know. We got the ham for our salad. We got the baked potatoes. Got the onion soup mix. The bacon. Carrots for my salad. Everything else. Yeah, you know what it is. So let's get into it. Alright, y'all. So look. If y'all... Come on, man.
I could see you. And fix me some.
Yeah, you tripping out, son. You tripping out, son. Alright, so if y'all don't know about these, let's get into this.
Okay.
So listen, y'all get EBT, you need to go to Albertsons and get you some shrimp. You can get you some shrimp, or you can get some crabs, and they'll steam them for you, okay? And they be good, but today they ain't really good. But you can go get you some crab clusters. I don't eat crabs, this for the kids. Or you get some shrimp, and they'll steam it for you. They'll cook it for you. They be good some days, but today it ain't always. So this is our pre-snack before we eat our food, okay? It's the pre-snack. Okay. Alright.
Chicago.
Let me get into it watching this meat.
Oh me, oh my.
We got the white ones on the ones and twos. We got the white ones too, baby. Alright, let me get into cooking this food. What else I'm gonna touch it with? My ass.
Oh my. Oh
I
my.
washed my damn hands.
Oh my.
Did you wash yours?
What's the code?
Center. Got some steak seasoning. Come here, Mark. This is a clean rag, so I won't be using them in the paper towels. I just got a clean rag. Because I got to dry these potatoes off. You look tough. What's your name?
Only bit.
Huh?
Only bit.
I'm about to do some unboxing. I ordered some packages. The last person give me the scissors. Oh. Go give me a knife. Or something. Put these up out first.
Go get a knife. I can't get through.
These hungry monkeys. Can I?
Getting off the camera.
Ta-da! You like you in jail. You like you in jail.
It's so funny. Nah. You know, I don't like the people that see me eat.
What the hell? And I think they 50 ounces. And they come with the top, 4 tops. I'm gonna use this for like the juices and the icebox, the milk and stuff. For when I reorganize my icebox. And they got labels on them, so you can write the labels right on too. And I got these other containers for the icebox to do some more organizing with. So put stuff in the icebox to keep the icebox more organized. I got some of these chips, bite-sized chips for our movie night. I'm gonna do a kids movie night, so I ordered these off of Amazon, some bite-sized chips for movie night.
Ain't nobody coming over here. How much she screaming?
Oh, my friends come out and make sure I'm inviting my friends.
You gonna get embarrassed in front of your friends.
What's it is? Nobody be embarrassed but you.
Cause of you.
I don't know why everybody think my mama fun.
Thank you. Oh, look what it is. My lock for my door.
What's that supposed to be?
We so outside. You got a lock to it? A key to it? I mean, this.
Oh, these are my containers for my eggs. My 2 containers for my eggs. I'll drop that link too. I got 2 packs. I think like $16. This is the finished product. Y'all, I was up so late cooking this food this night. I just want to chow down now. I want to thank y'all for watching, tuning in, like, subscribe, comment, and holla at your girl.